Let me show you what you can do under the people list. When you go to people list page, you will find all the list of your attendee registrants here. If you'd like to edit, view, or change an attendee information, just click that attendee. Under Participants Detail, just click Edit. And just change or add an information. When done, click Update. Under Participants Detail, you can also view activity log, copy QR code link, resend a confirmation email, check email history, or just remove this attendee. We have additional tabs like General, Registration, Survey, and Timeline.